Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a super simple DIY kill flash using nothing but your scope lens caps, some netting, and a pair of scissors. So let's hop right into it. To start, you're going to remove your scope lens caps. If you don't have them, you need to get some. Mine are broken, but I have more on the way. Then you're going to light up the netting with the part of the pattern you want showing. Then you're going to cut out a square of the netting a little bit bigger than what you need to cover the objective lens. After that, line up the piece of netting on your objective lens and then reinstall your scope lens caps. If you're retarded and you don't want to use scope caps, then zip ties or rubber bands work too. Once your lens cap is back on, you're going to use a pair of scissors to chop the excess off as close to the scope as you can. And that is literally it. This will take you like 5 minutes and it could keep you from getting shot in the face. The kill flash isn't a brand new concept. This is just my take on it, and I think it's a little bit more attractive than duct tape and a little bit more effective. Speaking of ducks, whoop whoop.